Hi, I'm Steve, and welcome to Sewickley Crossing, the only 55-plus ranch home community in Ohio Township, with low-maintenance living and high-end finishes located off of Nicholson Road, close to I-79 and everywhere you want to be. With ranch-style floor plans that feature a first-floor owner suite and a two-car garage, we're proud to offer the best of Maine-level living in the heart of the North Hills. Your new kitchen will shine with elegance, with granite or quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a gourmet island, and beautiful complementary cabinetry. You'll love how your family room flows effortlessly into your dining and kitchen area, perfect for entertaining guests and spending the weekend with your grandkids. With flexible living spaces, you'll have the option for an in-home office, perfect for scrapbooking, or you can choose to finish your basement and add more living and entertainment space. Our covered porches will give you a new favorite spot for your morning coffee, or enjoy sunny days and backyard barbecues in comfort with friends and neighbors. Sewickley Crossing is in the ideal location in Ohio Township, with easy access to I-79 just off Mount Nebo Road or Wexford exit, making it convenient to get everywhere you want to be. Life is about to get easier because this amazing community includes grass cutting, seasonal lawn maintenance, and snow removal. Spend more time doing the things that you want to do. Love to shop? You're in the perfect location, just 4 miles away from the Mount Nebo Point Shopping Center and some of your favorite retailers like Target and Sam's Club. And you're just 15 minutes away from Whole Foods and Ross Park Mall. Say goodbye to climbing stairs and hello to a new beginning at Sewickley Crossing 55+. Take the next step and schedule your visit today. We can't wait to welcome you home.